So look, got 12 volts on this battery. Pointed at the battery. Alright now. Testing this light for this Mercedes Benz, right? So I found out that the pin all the way to the right is my ground wire. Alright. So I gotta test all these bulbs. That one's good. That one's good. That one's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. All the lights is good on this circuit board. So, okay. This is the second circuit board I got from the junkyard. That works. That works. How many lit up? No, right? Two?
Two.
That must be the brake lights. That lit up. That works. That works. That works. Okay. Both of these light circuits work, right?
Mhm.
So therefore, I got a grounded out wire inside of the car on the left side. So maybe it's the wiring harness that connects to these circuit boards, or could have a deeper problem. Could be the light switch, but it's between the light switch and the back of the harness connectors by the trunk for the tail lights. So that's what I got to figure out tomorrow morning. So basically, that's it.